Hi, my name is Francie Hoff.
James Gentry.
Sonia Dorman. Gabe Bivens.
My name is Kyrie. In 2023, I was hospitalized due to a stroke, and then a month later, my basement flooded.
In 2018, my HVAC unit went out to my townhome. Single mom at the time.
In 2016, I had a heart attack.
My husband passed away in November 2021 when my life was turned upside down.
My 15-year-old son was severely being bullied in high school. It's nothing worse than sitting next to your son in a counseling session, hearing him say that he's had thoughts of harming himself, hearing him say that he's held this in for so long, and the teasing that he just couldn't take it anymore.
Movement stepped in so my family and I could focus on us and on our grieving process.
Having LoveWorks step in to help my daughter is what took so much pressure off.
LoveWorks helped by keeping a roof over my head. They also took care of some of the bills that come along with that.
I have never worked for a mortgage company that loved and truly valued their employees like they do. I mean, this company does not just speak it, they do it.
LoveWorks stepped in and was able to get him counseling immediately. On a consistent basis, this has helped him tremendously. He's now in a new school and thriving. Your
donations really and truly help, way more than you could ever imagine.
Ooh, I'm super overwhelmed. I'm really grateful to those employees that do donate to LoveWorks. Without LoveWorks, I can't even imagine what this experience would have been like for her.
This is such a special place to work at.
Thank you, Movement.
Thank you, LoveWorks.
Thank you, LoveWorks.
Thank you, Movement.
We thank you, LoveWorks.